back to my channel. I hope that you guys are enjoying the new quality of the content around here. I'm really excited to continue just upgrading the quality of the content and just making sure that you guys are getting the best of what I can give. So let's get started on refreshing our home. So this is the first spot that I want to focus on. This drawer is like a catch-all, and this is our camera equipment, and I kind of just am tired of it ending up here, so we're gonna find a place for it. But I also was thinking about rearranging the bedroom today, so we're gonna try it out and see what we can do with it. I really want these to be out on the countertop because it's just easier for me when I'm cooking, but I'm having a hard time figuring out where I want them because I do have the lamp for extra ambience. So we're just moving things around to see what we like. So we've had our little coffee area for almost, well, not even a year, but I wanted to refresh the space a little bit because I found this horse print at Hobby Lobby yesterday for half off, and I thought this would be perfect for, there's a spot above the espresso machine right here where one of the shelves fell, and so I was like, I need something to cover that up and to just bring the space together. So we've got this little horse print to add some extra just vintageness and coziness. So let's refresh the coffee bar together. Got some fresh flowers. Found this frame at TJ Maxx last week. It was actually on clearance, so if you like this frame, I would check your local TJ Maxx because this was like $12 and it was a regular like $20, I think. But anyways, I took some scrapbook paper that I had because I didn't have a picture to fit this, which eventually I'll get it. But just for now, I put some floral scrapbook paper, and then I put a little picture of us in it. I thought it was cute, and it's giving summer. So for the fall, I'll switch it out, but for now, we're gonna do this pretty floral print, and I'm just going to decorate this shelf. The plant actually kind of is helping me decorate because it's vining down, and so that's a natural decor. But I have a few things that I want to play around with to see if I like. I thrifted this coffee pot holder, so I'm going to put it on this shelf. One thing that I wanted to share with you guys while we do this little refresh, redecorate type of video is just something that I found very fun, and I don't know, just added a sense of like coziness, inspiration to when I'm cooking and stuff. But I've never really truly had a recipe book, and I actually found this little notebook from TJ Maxx on clearance. So check your local TJ Maxx if you're looking for a cute little notebook. but it just has like food on it, and I just thought it was so cute. And when I picked it up and it was on clearance, I was like, I'm going to use this to write all the new recipes that I find. Any recipes that I'm like, ooh, we love this, it's on repeat, I'm gonna put in this binder. And so, so far I have written down some banana bread recipe. Let me show you. I have a banana bread recipe written down, blackberry jelly recipe. Some of these are from friends and family. I have a lavender mint lemonade recipe, and then I think that's it so far. Tonight, I'm wanting to make these brownie cream cheese frosting cookies. I found the recipe last night. Somebody shared it on Instagram, and I was like, this looks like a recipe that I can write down in my little note journal. So stay tuned for that. We are possibly going to be baking tonight. But I don't know, something just inspired me to get a cute food like notebook, write all the recipes down in it, and I'm actually keeping it on top of my microwave so that it's easy to grab. So the first thing that caught my eye were these pumpkin salt and pepper shakers. I am normally not like super seasonal to where I will get salt and pepper shakers from Hobby Lobby, or just seasonal salt and pepper shakers, but these were so cute. They were $8.99, 30% off, so I can't do math on the spot. I don't know what that would have made them, but they were just so cute, and I loved the color, and I just thought they were so cute. So that was the first thing that I got. This pumpkin mini spoon. I think this would be so cute if you're having people over for fall dinners and you're wanting to like elevate the coziness and seasonalness of the dish. You can stick this in there for people to serve. This would be so cute with like butters and I don't know, just anything like that. So I got that. That was $3.99 regular price, and so 30% off of that would be obviously cheaper. This was one of my favorite finds, and this was the last one that they had at my Hobby Lobby, but it's this Anthropologie dupe. It was this Anthropologie dupe of the glass. You all know that I love making iced coffee at home, so they had this cute little pumpkin glass. I can't remember how much this was. I think it was $15, which is a little expensive, but we got it 30% off. This is what it looks like up close. I found this fall hair bow, and I honestly think that I can use this for multi-purpose, like not just my hair, but if I wanted to use it for decor too. And it's like this satin brown. It's so pretty, so fall coated. This is so cute. It's this little pumpkin ceramic holder. I have a few ideas that I'm going to use for it. I think this would be so cute. I think this would be so cute if you were going to a fall dinner party and you were making like homemade cinnamon butter. You could put like the butter in here, and then when it's like served on the table, you know, take it out and like it's in there, pumpkin butter. I don't know. It just was so cute. Or I could use it for my coffee bar for the cinnamon, because we do have like a lot of cinnamon. We use a lot of cinnamon for our lattes, but this was so cute, and so I picked this up for fall. I did pick up some kitchen towels because we go through them a lot over here. I found this cute little mushroom. The colors weren't too bright. They're very earthy, and I love like the mushroom, acorn, earthy look. It just is so cute. And so I got this one. This one is so cute. $5.99 regular price, and then take 30% off of that. And then They had this one, and this one is, well, this one matches this one, and that's what I wanted. I wanted them to like match. So it has mushrooms like all over. You have some sunflowers, acorns, and leaves. Super cute and cozy. And like I said, I love this color palette for fall. I love the greens, the like burgundy orange, the deep red, the mustard yellow. Like these are my fall colors. Like if I had to choose, I love those fall colors. They're just so earthy. So I got both of those. Those are so cute. And I think that that was all that I got for like just specifically fall decor, because I do have some already. And like I said, living in a barn apartment, like you don't have to have much to make it cozy and bring everything together. So I didn't go overboard, and I kind of also was waiting to see if the fall decor would go 50% off before I really splurged. There was a wreath there that I really liked that I saw, and a garland that I liked. But other than that, I feel pretty good for what I got because I already have some stuff. So yeah, so I've got a few things left. There's this really pretty orange gingham fall ribbon. You guys know that I love gingham, and I love bows, and so I am going to use this to wrap around either like soaps or my utensil holder to just add a little touch of coziness, but also you can use it for your hair and the cutesiness vibes of fall. So I really liked the color of this orange ribbon. It's not getting to focus. Let me try. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. I hope you guys can see it well, but it's not really a bright orange. It's a really pretty, just truly fall leaf color orange, and it's gingham, so it's just so cozy. And so this was a regular $2.99, but I got it for 30% off, so whatever that is. And then finally, one thing that I did get that isn't fall coated, but they were 50% off, were these outlet covers. I only got a few of them because I wasn't really sure where I was going to put them, but they're like this antique gold color. This is what they look like up close. So pretty. This adds such a sense of coziness and character to your home, and it's so, like such a small thing. But I got 2 of these, and then I got this for, I think I'm going to do it in the bathroom and bedroom. Unfortunately, our outlet cover in the kitchen and living room is a 4 outlet cover, and they didn't have, like, unless I can put these 2 together over the 4. I don't know, we'll see. But I thought this is a great idea for adding a touch of cute coziness. So that's all of my Hobby Lobby fall haul. Like I said, I'm not trying to promote any type of discontentment with the current season that we're in. I just wanted to share what I got in case you were thinking about going and getting some things on sale. A lot of the stuff, I think, like the glasses and kitchenware stuff, a lot of that stuff was already like really picked through. There wasn't a lot left. This was the last glass that they had, and I was like, oh my gosh, like I got it, you know, I got the last one. Of course they'll restock. But anyways, if you're looking to get a good deal, I would highly recommend going now.